and welcome to Wine Uncorked with Tower. My name is Gil Coolers, and I'm a wine consultant here at Tower Beer, Wine, and Spirits in Atlanta, Georgia. And unless you're my wife, who likes a good beer, most of us enjoy a glass of wine with our pizza. And today, on Wine Uncorked, we're going to reveal the world's greatest pizza wine. Now, I'm sorry, I don't mean to mislead you, but we're not going to be revealing any specific wine as the world's greatest pizza wine, so I'm going to offer you some tips of things to think about when you're in the store buying a wine for your Friday night pizza. Americans spent $14 billion on pizza in 2020, and that's a lot of pizza pies. So, with that in mind, I'd like to suggest that you should try to keep it simple with pizza. I mean, this is something that you eat with your hands, and it comes in a box. And I've actually picked out 5 wines here that are all under $20. I feel these are great pizza wines, and there's no one category of pizza wine. Remember, this should be a wine that you enjoy. However, I will absolutely give you permission if you like something a little bit more expensive like this wonderful Bordeaux Chateau Smith Haute Lafitte, which I actually love and it makes me happy. So if it makes you happy, absolutely go for it. We're going to start off with the Chris Pinot Grigio. This is merely $10 a bottle. You should not be afraid to drink a white wine with pizza. I know a lot of people think that it should perhaps be a red wine, but that is not true. In fact, I really enjoy rosés with pizza, especially in the summertime. The classic pairing with pizza, I think, is Chianti, and there's good reason for that. Chianti is a medium-bodied wine. Pizza, generally speaking, is a medium-bodied dish. It has fairly high acidity. This Monsanto from Chianti is $20. It is a wonderful wine, a recent discovery for me, and I think that could be a classic pairing. You don't have to spend $20. This is a $9 bottle of wine. It's called House Wine. It's from Spain. It's a Garnacha Syrah blend. Once again, a little high in acidity. You want to keep it in the United States. This Block 9 Pinot Noir goes for $15 a bottle. It is Pinot Noir, naturally high in acidity. All great with pizza, among other things. So just remember, keep it simple, keep it inexpensive, unless you want something else, and just keep it fun. It's pizza. You eat it with your hands. Thanks for watching, and thanks for shopping at Tower. And don't forget, we now offer curbside pickup and delivery. Check our website for more information. Thank you very much.